With footrest comparison. Camping chairs with footrests are a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and versatility. Whether you're lounging by the beach, sitting by a campfire, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, these chairs provide ergonomic support and portability. In this review, we tested 5 popular models ranging from budget. List 1. The Apollo Walker Camping Chair is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize comfort and durability. Its standout feature is the 6-legged support system, which offers superior stability compared to traditional 4-legged chairs. With a reclining backrest adjustable between 90 degrees and 135 degrees, this chair provides ergonomic support for extended lounging. It also includes a detachable pillow, cup holder, and side pockets, enhancing convenience for users. Weighing only 11 pounds and folding into a compact size, it is portable and suitable for a variety of activities such as camping, beach trips, and fishing. During testing, the Apollo Walker chair excelled in stability and comfort, accommodating users up to 330 pounds without tipping. The durable 600D Oxford fabric proved resistant to wear and tear, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. The adjustable backrest was easy to operate, allowing users to find their preferred reclining angle effortlessly. While the chair is slightly heavier than some competitors, its portability remains practical thanks to the included carry bag. However, users seeking ultra-lightweight options might find this model less appealing. The outdoor living Suntime chair stands out as the premium option in this comparison. Its oversized, moon-shaped design offers a spacious and ergonomic seating area, while the removable footrest extends comfort for lounging. The chair is crafted from padded 600D cationic fabric, which is soft, breathable, and moisture-wicking. It supports up to 250 pounds and includes a handy storage pocket for small items. Despite its larger size, the chair folds compactly and comes with a carry bag for portability. In our tests, the Suntime chair provided exceptional comfort, especially for users seeking a more luxurious camping experience. The padded seat and removable footrest were particularly appreciated during long lounging sessions. However, its weight of 14 pounds makes it less portable than lighter models, and the 250-pound weight limit might not suit heavier users. This chair is ideal for users who prioritize comfort over portability and want a versatile option for backyard or beach use. List 3. The Rottenard Reclining Camping Chair offers a balance of comfort, durability, and affordability. With an adjustable backrest that tilts between 90 degrees and 140 degrees, it caters to various lounging preferences. The detachable footrest and padded headrest further enhance comfort. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and 600D Oxford fabric, this chair supports up to 300 pounds and features a reinforced X-shaped frame for stability. It folds easily into a compact size and includes a storage bag for portability. During testing, the Rottenard chair impressed with its sturdy construction and ease of use. The adjustable backrest and detachable footrest provided flexibility for different activities, from reading to napping. Its lightweight design, 10 pounds, made it easy to carry, although the storage bag could benefit from additional padding for comfort. While the chair performed well overall, the armrests felt less supportive compared to other models in this. List 4. The Wejoy Reclining Camping Chair offers versatility and comfort with its 4-position adjustable backrest and detachable footrest. Designed with ergonomic principles, it adapts to various postures, making it suitable for sitting upright, reclining, or lying down. The chair is crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a PE coating for water resistance and features anti-slip foot covers for stability. At 12 pounds, it strikes a balance between durability and portability, folding into a compact size with an included storage bag. In our tests, the Wejoy chair delivered excellent comfort and stability, accommodating users up to 300 pounds. The 4 reclining positions provided greater flexibility than other models, making it ideal for diverse outdoor activities. The padded pillow and armrests added to the comfort experience. However, the chair's setup process took longer than expected during initial use, though subsequent folding and unfolding were quicker. This model is best for users who value adjustability and durability. List 9. The 2-support camping chair is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering a 2-in-1 design with a removable footrest. Its lightweight frame and compact folding dimensions make it highly portable, ideal for beach trips, hiking, and camping. The chair features durable fabric and an ergonomic seating position for extended comfort. Despite its lower price point, it includes practical features such as a cup holder and quick setup functionality. During testing, the 2-support chair performed admirably for its price, providing sufficient comfort and stability for casual outdoor use. The removable footrest was easy to attach and detach, allowing for versatility in use. However, the chair's lower weight capacity, 200 kilograms, and lack of padding on the armrests made it less suitable for long lounging sessions. This chair is best for budget-conscious users seeking a portable and functional